English Indonesian phrase. What is, equals.
Apa itu?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there, ready to level up your Indonesian with laughs and quick wins? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you master the question, what is, which in Indonesian is.
Apa itu?
Imagine a curious parrot on your shoulder squawking.
Apa itu?
At everything, same energy today. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for definitions smoothly in Indonesian. Target phrase.
Apa itu?
Equals, what is. Use it to point at a thing or concept, museum labels, menus, mystery buttons. Form and meaning. Let's crack it open so you can use it anywhere.
Apa?
Means, what. Fun fact.
Apa?
Reads the same backward, palindrome power.
Itu?
Means, that. Together.
Apa itu?
Literally, what is that, when asking for a definition. Not for people, for, who is, use.
Siapa itu?
Close cousin.
Apa ini?
Equals, what is this, when the thing is right in your hand. Mini dialogue. Night market. Play along, repeat the Indonesian lines out loud. You, excuse me, what is. You, Indonesian.
Permisi, apa itu?
Vendor.
Itu manggis.
That's mangosteen. You, nice, what is, pointing at a spiky one. You, Indonesian.
Apa itu?
Vendor.
Itu durian.
Durian, the spiky superstar. Narrator. You nod like a pro. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap along to lock it in. Call. Apa itu? You answer.
Apa itu?
Call. Point at an object, banana, sign, gadget. You answer.
Apa itu?
Speed up round. Say it 3 times fast.
Apa itu? Apa itu? Apa itu?
Culture tip. Curiosity wins. Stay polite and clear, Indonesians appreciate it. Start with.
Permisi.
Excuse me, before asking.
Apa itu?
In shops or museums. If you need the definition, add.
Definisi.
What's the definition of? Say.
Apa itu?
Then the term. Gesture. Point gently, smile, eyebrows up, universal curious face. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll reveal it after a short pause. Q1. How do you say, what is, in Indonesian? A.
Apa itu?
Q2. True or false, use.
Apa itu?
To ask about a person. A. False, use.
Siapa itu?
Q3. Completed.
Apa garis bawah garis bawah garis bawah garis bawah?
A.
Yang.
Q4. Which is, where.
Di mana?
Or.
Apa?
A.
Di mana?
Memory hack. Make it stick with a silly image. Picture a skyscraper-sized question mark booming.
Apa itu?
Across the city. Mnemonic. Apa equals ask, probe, ask, keep asking.
Apa itu?
Today. Final challenge. Your turn, own the phrase in real contexts. At a museum label you can't read, say.
Apa itu?
In class, writing on the board before a definition.
Apa itu?
At a cafe, pointing at a new snack.
Apa itu?
Bonus speed round, 3 settings in a row, market, app screen, road sign, each time ask.
Apa itu?
Thanks and next steps. You did great, keep your curiosity switched on. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice.
Apa itu?
At least 5 times today, ask a friend, a vendor, or your smart speaker. For more bite-sized lessons, games, and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.